Get ready to be amazed. Samsung's groundbreaking triple folding phone might have just been unveiled ahead of schedule. Thanks to a sneak peek in the latest One UI 8 build update, Samsung may have unintentionally given us a glimpse of its revolutionary multifold gadget. According to Android Authority, new animations hint at what this trifold flagship might actually resemble, from its dual-hinge folding design to the arrangement of the screen, camera features, and NFC chip placement. The device, likely to be named the Galaxy G Fold, is tentatively identified as the Multifold 7 in the One UI 8 files. Samsung initially teased this innovative foldable during its Unpacked event back in January, showing a basic sketch of what appears to be a triple-screen phone that aligns with the leaked animations. What's intriguing about this design is its three-panel configuration with a substantial triple camera setup on the rear, located on the right-hand panel when fully open. The central panel seems to act as the cover display and includes a front-facing camera accessible even when the device is folded. Once fully opened, this front-facing camera is positioned on the right side, the same panel that also houses the rear cameras on its opposite side. One particularly interesting animation uncovers how the folding process is likely to work. It shows two hinges of different sizes, with the left portion folding inward and the right one wrapping over the top. Additionally, a notable warning animation advises against folding the right-hand panel first, as this could cause the camera module to obstruct the display from lying flat, and could potentially damage the device's folding functionality. Samsung's approach contrasts with the Z-shaped folding mechanism seen in Huawei's Mate XT Ultimate design, which was the first trifold phone available commercially. Unlike Samsung's design, the Mate XT permits the use of one, two, or all three display panels simultaneously, granting greater versatility, but at the expense of having an exposed panel that's more susceptible to damage. But here's where it gets controversial. Could Samsung's design limit the trifolding capability, making it less adaptable and more prone to potential issues? Some might argue the Mate XT's approach, offering simultaneous panel use, is more advantageous. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Do you think Samsung's design offers a better balance between durability and functionality? Share your views in the comments below. Remember, while these leaks are exciting, they might not represent the final product. We'll hopefully learn more about the foldable at Samsung's next Unpacked event on July 9th, when other exciting announcements, such as updates on the Z Fold and Z Flip models, are also anticipated. Stay tuned.